Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this eye look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. So I actually filmed a swatch video on this palette. If you guys want to see swatches, I will not be doing swatches in this video. It's really all about the eyes for today. So if you guys are wanting to see swatches of this palette, I do have the video link down below in my description, and I also share my thoughts on the palette and also compared it to two of the other palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you guys are interested in seeing that video, I will have the link down below in my description. But in today's video, we are all about the eyes. So I will show you guys how I created this look and all of my other makeup deets as far as what I have on my face. I will have all of those deets down below in my description. Like I said, this video is all about the eyes. So if you guys are interested in seeing my quick and easy tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, then let's go ahead and jump right in. So starting off, I'm gonna prime my lids with the new Fenty Beauty primer. This is actually my first time using this. So I just want to prime my eyelids with this. So I already applied my setting powder, concealer, and all of that on the eyes, so it looks a little funny, but that's okay. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is Incense, and that is this one right here. We're just gonna place this all over the lid, super pigmented, just to pretty much set that that primer in place. And there is quite a bit of kick up with this shade. Now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and this is in the shade Eccentric, and place this in the crease. It's a little bit deeper than the first shade that we used, so I wanna see what it looks like in the crease. But you can't really see it. It doesn't really show up. Well, you can see it a little bit, but not too much. I guess this will be my transition color. Next, I'm gonna take this light pink. This is in the shade Love, and place this right here in the center corner and kind of drag it almost in the middle of the lid. Ooh, this is really pigmented. For the center of the lid, I'm going to take the shade Rose Gold, this one right here, and place it right there in the center. Now, I'm going to try this out without spraying my brush. I'm going to see, you know, if it works without having to spray. And it doesn't, so I'm going to have to spray my brush. That is gorgeous. And then for the outer part of the lid, I'm gonna take the shade Drama. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous plum metallic. It is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. But I'm gonna take that shade and put that on the outside of the lid, kind of just to smoke this lid out. Now taking this shade Passion right here, this is a brick, kind of like a burgundy, and I'm just gonna use my little small pencil shader brush and just place a little bit of it in the crease, like right here in the crease. I'm gonna put a little bit of that shimmer back in the middle because we kind of lost some of it along the way. I will list all of the brushes that I'm using in this video in my description, but I'm just gonna go over everything really quick. Okay, so that is all that I'm gonna do with the eyes right now. I'm gonna blend out the bottom lash line using Passion. That is the shade that we put in the crease. It kind of made it look like a cut crease. I'm not really good with doing cut creases, like when, you know, when some people apply the concealer and then put the eyeshadow on top. I'm not good with doing that, so I just do it this way because I find it easier for myself. So yeah, so I'm gonna take Passion and put that on the bottom lash line to smoke out that. And I'm gonna put my lashes on, my mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so I finally got my lashes and my mascara on, but I do want to go back into the eyes and do the inner corner just to highlight it a little bit. So I'm going to take Rose Gold. That is the shade that we use for the middle of the lid, and we're just going to place a little bit of that shade on the inner corner. Honestly, to be completely honest, this is probably one of the best rose gold metallic, like foiled shadows that I have in my collection. Like, this is a really pretty color. It's literally a true rose gold. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And since this was my first time using this palette on the eyes, I will say that it was very easy to blend out. The metallics, or I guess they're like a foiled, rose gold was actually more of a foiled type of shadow in this palette, so it does have a lot of kick up, but I noticed when I sprayed my brush with the Fix Plus, it definitely applied so much better on the eyes. So when I first applied it with the brush without spraying it, you guys saw that, you know, nothing really came off on the eyes, but once I sprayed my brush, you can definitely see the pigment, especially like right here in the inner corner. Like, this is bomb. I love the color of rose gold. I think that is probably my favorite shade in this palette besides Drama, and that is the one that we use for the outer part of the lid. But other than that, I do like how the shadows performed on the eyes. So I think that is all that I have for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you thumbs it up for me. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials using this palette. And also, if you have not checked out my recent video where I did swatches of this palette and also compared it to the Modern Renaissance and the Soft Glam, definitely check it out. I will have the video down below in my description for you guys to check it out. But I think that is all that I have for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.